What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're gonna go over our friend Solana. Currently, we're up 2%. Had a nice little 10% trade. We're seeing at 182. We're seeing a market cap of 55.83 billion. 24-hour volume 1.88 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to Crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest growing crypto app. And you can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, travel incentives, depending on the level of card that you have. So here we are on the 1 hour time frame. So we broke all the way up close to our take profit zone. We did trend towards overbought, and that's a good indicator to take some profits. So that was a beautiful trade. Woo, 10% trade here for Solana. You can see we trended towards overbought as well as on the money flow, and we're starting to see a move back down. So I've dropped in a buy zone here. Let's pop over to the 4 hour. Take out the money flow quickly here. I've dropped in a buy zone here at 178, 170, 157, 141, 115. Dollar cost average, equal amounts as a spot trader. Double your margin as a leverage trader. Bring down your average price halfway each time. Now we do have this triple top pattern. I have been talking about us consolidating in this range, but if we do lose this level of support, I'll always go over both the bearish and the bullish scenarios here. Triple top, if we lose that level of support, could bring us down just below that next buy zone at 157. However, guys, we have broken out of this falling wedge pattern, and your target is all the way up here at 238. So we'll see here if we hold this level of support either at 178 or 170, we see continuation. Of course, it moves closely with Bitcoin. Oh, that's the Bitcoin longs. Bitcoin long position still steadily increasing here. So we'll see if Bitcoin is able to hold the EMAs and see consolidation. If we just consolidate and then we break out, we see we see some volume step in and we break out to about 51K. We'll see if we break out of this double bottom here. Could be the breakout we've been waiting for. But if we lose the EMAs, that's when we can come back down to this level of support here. Let me actually drop in a little price target for this level of support. Let's move this up. 47.5 at about 45.1K for Bitcoin, but we are seeing that bullish divergence on the daily. So we'll see if we can get back above the 20 EMA for BTC. So let's jump into Solana on the daily time frame. So we threw back up into our descending broadening wedge. We're just having the bullish cross on the MACD, which is a bullish signal of a pump. We bounced beautifully off 30 on the RSI on the daily. Now the big test for us is to get back above the 20 EMA and the 55 and have the bullish cross. The last time we got back above the EMAs, right here guys, bullish cross, huge pump to the upside. So if we get back above the EMAs, we hold them at support. That's when you see a huge pump to the upside. We have our bull run target for Solana coming in at 503 based off our Elliott wave theory and our Fibonacci here. But if we do get rejected, watch the golden ratio at 171. Hopefully we hold the support of the golden ratio. It's a strong sign of continuation and that you're going to break your previous high and head up to the 1.272, which is coming in at 259. You can see we came all the way up to the 1.272 and we were traced all the way back down to the 0.5, basically all the way down to the 0.382. So if we do see continuation, we can give our target for our next impulsive wave, swing high, swing low, and you would target the 1.618 extension, which is coming in at about 363 for Solana. So let's finish off the video here back on the 4 hour time frame. So if you want to start dollar cost averaging back into your trade, 178, 170, 157, 141, 115. I think I have one more at 79. Remember guys, it's just for reference. It's not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. You could wait for 172 if you'd like to for SOL. That's basically it for this one. Take profit zones. We had 188, 201, 216, 231, 257 for SOL. If you want access to these charts at all times, guys, join the Discord where I'm updating these charts regularly. We also have 1,000 members talking all things crypto, posting chart patterns, the price of a coffee, and you can sign up through the Patreon. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.